then, ang problema lang sa mga Filipinos is the lack of understanding. So, that's good that you can have co-op, no? If you have something na kay business.
For me personally it's better to have kuanjud ka ng life insurance.
Life insurance first.
It's really better to have both.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
Welcome to Terra Talk Podcast, and this is our episode 22.
22.
Topic for today is what's the difference between cooperative and life insurance, right? Because nagam ko nang utana na ba, no? Asa mo kung smayo, rin lang kung co-op or should I go with life insurance? Okay. Co-op, it's a cooperative. That's why mainly focus siya diri sa business performance, no? But life insurance man good. Kung daw siya ka ng dagang siya good, di ba? Dagang siya scope pa na critical illness, mga riders, yung na. So, muna mong i-discuss karon on this episode.
Yes.
Alright, so we'll be giving some questions to Coach Sean. By the way, I'm your host, Coach Jarek, together with my co-host, Coach Sean. And we'll be starting. First question that we have is, what is the fundamental difference between cooperative and life insurance company in the Philippines?
Okay, good. Before I answer that question, mga Filipinos good, majority ato gid sa co-op mataw because kanang ang co-op dali ra maduolan. Na bitaw ang notion ba, like ako, I remember ko nga nag-general assembly sa usa ka co-op si mama. Kuyog ko ngadto sa Abiliana gito. Then, ato nakita ko daghan nga tao. And then, normally, again, majority sa population sa Filipinos naa sa ubos-ubos. Yeah. Ang co-op is, they can definitely accept you sa imuhang status as long as you have the money for the shared capital na imong pwede ma-invest.
Just like they mentioned ka na naman yung micro, no? Businesses ba? So, kumbaga sila sa nano. No, sa ubos dyan, no? So,
ubos, na level sa lifestyle.
Yeah.
So, imong question is, what is the fundamental difference between cooperative versus life insurance? Or di na ito versus kay same maganda sa usage, no? So, cooperative is basically, it's a combination of, it's cooperation, no?
Cooperation,
of members, no? Of people na naa sila common goal. And then, ang nagdala sa daan nga co-op is kato sa mga members nila.
Yes.
Mag-elect sila o kinsay pwede mahimon ng board member that can grow their cooperative business. Kaya nahimo ang cooperative because naiuban na mga na sila ganahan i-negosyo or i-goal or dream. Kung individually, di sila ka-achieve. Nahimo ang cooperative, it's because of same goal sila, no? At the same time, sila makakontrol. They have the authority, no? Sila mga members. So, democracy within the members. And sa life insurance, it is consist with, it's a corporation. No, corporation meaning dagko nga mga companies, no? At the same time na yung mga shareholders. So, mo na pag-difference ako. And then, in terms sa mga iyahang, let's say, mag-decide inana, so it should be the shareholder or the owners of that said life insurance company.
Alright, so at least no kanang sani katong mga natin mga questions kasi maliwanagan sila ba
kung saan co-op or assign nindot co-op ba or life insurance.
To say they're both okay, no, but they are nagud sila kalahian lang jud, no?
Regulations and type of structure sa ilahang let's say ilang management
and then there are types of cooperatives nito, no, but daghan siya. But most jud nga diri especially diri sa Cebu kasi mga multi-purpose cooperative daghan kitag makita dito katong gi-mention nimo sa may sa Magdako napod ko nakita dito sa may Carbon so daghan.
Nasa co-op sa mga tindera sa Mercados, Mandawi, I forgot the name, but kung naa sila common goal, like mga tindera sila, so they create a co-op para, it's a multi-purpose co-op. Pwede sila magbaligya ng mga barato na mga baligyaonon, no? May consumer cooperative, na
Yes.
producers cooperative, and also kanang mga magsasaka, agriculture. Then
And
mostly, credit,
credit
no?
ka,
Oo.
mo din nalaghan jud.
Credit nga kung the race map sa daghan jud kay na pwede ka maka-loan ba, which can help you with your business. Oo.
So, ang root word niya no kay cooperate.
Cooperate yun. Kailangan na cooperation sa
Cooperation,
tanan. Kaya kung
each
wa,
members.
mayabo jud.
Yeah. And then, the second question that we have is, how do the financial structures of cooperatives and life insurance companies differ in the Philippines?
How do financial structures
Yes.
of cooperatives
And life insurance companies differ in the Philippines?
kato atong gisgutan ang iyahang organizational structure, no? Ang mag-decide any decision making sa cooperative, it should be number one is sa members, no? And then with the board of directors, which in fact the board of directors are also the members of the co-op, no?
So, basically, naa sila control po, no?
Na-control.
Shareholders mo siya.
Yes. Oo, nasi murag tawag autonomy no.
Oh, yeah.
And then sa kuan kining life insurance kay capitalize siya through investment and mga shareholders na mga investors. So and then naa si mga CEO, mga gibutang siya na because of this and that na wala dili gyud elect but appointed gyud nga ikaw gyud ang ibutang diha. Mo sa na ilang organizational structure.
Yeah, okay. And then the third question is, what is the level of regulation and supervision for cooperatives versus life insurance companies here in the Philippines?
Okay, very good question. So,
Kana.
in terms sa kanang gusto rin kag kwarta, you need to make sure that that specific corporation, that specific company is well regulated sa government.
Yes.
No, kay in kaso unsa metabo naay magukod, no, especially na mo back up na to na government, no, which mga laws, okay? So sa cooperative, no, ang regulatory body sa cooperative is gitawag og Cooperative Development Authority. Okay, so CDA, and regulated sad siya sa NCC, which stands for National Credit Council. So mo na mga regulatory body sa ato ang mga co-op nga mga kanang companies. Okay? And then of course sa life insurance, natay regulatory body which is the Insurance Commission.
So for those people bitaw nga para maingon nga ay this is kana bitaw magduha mo on that specific product. Naman jud may nga no, it's normal sa valid naman po na ilang mga base it's the past experience, but maingon mo gud sila nga ay scam na nga na, but in the first place it was checked or regulate gina ni Insurance Commission, so di na siya mo push through unless kung naa sila ko ano signal na okay go deploy it.
Yes, para dagdag ng mga small and medium enterprise sa mga negosyo. Di ka pwede ka pauligya diha kung wala ka business permit, wala ka barangay permit, wala ka regulation, no, kung mga pagkaunan, food, no, na kuan nga regulatory body kana. So of course kung naa siya regulatory body, meaning okay na siya company. No, yes.
Then the fourth question is, how do the benefits of cooperative and life insurance policies differ for Filipinos? Mga benefits niya.
Benefits, lain-lain man ang benefits. Ang common goal sa usa ka co-op is ang ako na ibaw-an kay motabang ba sa membro, no? For example, na ay namatay, so they have death assistance nga sila mismo nga na sila part sa kwarta nila nga naagi mamatay, mag-share sila.
Mo na gitawag na mortuary
bayanihan mortuary aid, yes, bayanihan. And also another nila service na mo-provide sa mga members is na HMO, no, mo na ilang gi-highlight nga in kaso usa ka member mamatay or kana masakit na siya HMO coverage na motabang dili kay dako kay murag mahog man siya group insurance.
Yes.
So at least mo na gi-provide nga additional service on top sa unsa gyud goal nila like credit ba or mga baligya pa na co-op.
Yeah.
And then ang kuan sa life insurance basically daghan man gyud kaayo mga term insurance, endowment, no,
Endowment.
for the retirement, sa pa na critical illness, major illnesses.
Or even
And-
dividends. na
Yes,
pwede.
exactly. Dividends, ang mga cash values that they can take up loans, no?
Hmm.
And mga life insurance with linked investment.
Investment ka na. Na mo na gitawag nila ron nga VUL, no?
VUL, yes, correct. Nasa yung mga investment nga portion sa iyang policy.
Yes.
Or daghan kayo. Yeah, nakanindot sa, not nindot siya, no? Because I don't wanna compare because it's different man yun iyang kuhan.
Yes.
No, pero we'll talk about the finances man sa ang advantage sa life insurance is international ba.
Yes.
So, for example, if you'll be admitted in a hospital
Hospital.
abroad, so na-claim nga kuan, so kato claims in peso of course, so magamit ka niya abroad.
Yeah.
Oo.
You can transact even if nakas outside the country. no?
Correct. Oo, inana ang mentality lang sa siguro sa mga tao is mas nakita nila ang co-op kay majority sa mga tao nga
Yes.
sa co-op. And then ang problema lang sa mga Filipinos is the lack of understanding. Okay sa din ang insurance. Dako sa din siya matabang. So that's why information drive is really important.
Kayo.
So social media presence, kung kato mga financial advisors na diha, keep on posting, no, keep in not threatening them, no, inspiring ko
Yeah.
ba mga content. Ayaw ka naman pahadlok,
Pahadlok.
matay, no, ayaw.
Oo.
Kay as human as we are, no, kung ako usa ka dili ko financial coach. Kuan ako, audience ako,
Yes.
or usa ko sa policy holder. Of course, when I see your post, makuyawan ko kay mura again, Filipinos gitonglo which in fact, we need to say it in a different way na
Yes.
positive ang impact ba sa individual, especially Filipinos.
Yeah, I just wanted to add lang po, kana bitawng, if you're a financial advisor, before you post something, you just have to think bitaw if can I add value to them, kani nga post, or unsa kahay reaction sa
Correct.
makita ani, no, before postings. Because kana makapekto mo gid na. Right? Ang negativity, mura bitawag ang positivity or negativity. Unsa imong gi-spread ba?
Correct.
Right? So, kana makuha na sa tao.
Subconsciously,
Yes.
every time na mo chat nila, nasa yung mastorya sa
Bantay, no? Mao na
Yes.
kasagaran.
And also, just to add up with cooperative, intention sa cooperative is retirement, pwede siya retirement. No? And, sa business. Business support or capital sa business. And then, ang nakakuan lang sa disadvantage sa co-op is high risk siya. Kay members naman ko tagadala.
Yeah, mag-agad sa business performance.
O performance, kumusta man ang kuan, pila may dividendo niya. What if na ay gibutang siya as board member and then he doesn't have the skills ba, no, how to lead the cooperative. Wala siya competency bitaw na maka-guide na mo grow ilahang community, say community business. Most na yung nakakuhan sa co-op. At there is a life insurance kay dugay na kaayo, dako na company, corporations, shareholders, so dagan gadala. So that's good that you can have co-op, no, if you have something na kay business, no, kay among i-advise you if you will get a co-op, ang intention nimo shouldn't be mangutang.
Yeah,
Intention is to invest.
Yeah, the most common mo sa mga tao is ang thinking bitaw nila is if mo start sila co-op, yes, the first one of the reason is mangutang, no, but you have to maximize the investment. Because there are some cooperatives na provide 8 to 10
8 to 10, yeah. Sa dako galing.
I'm not saying bati siya, but it's better to have both, co-op o life insurance.
It's different aspect man sa good siya kay retirement and capital or business that sa ato we can also have that, no, and then life protection mas broader ang
so
sa life insurance.
Mas wide siya, no?
It goes together, so mag-teamwork na ang co-op, HMO,
Yes.
no, ang life insurance, ang mga kanang life plans, no.
Lagi na nito tabi to, no.
Oo.
Muna sila mga 4 mga kumbaga kinahanglanon din
Income
ito.
protection.
Yeah, mga
no.
income protection para Imagine if naka ano tanan,
Mm.
you have HMO, kana if naapo kay
Life
ko,
plan,
life
nakay
plan.
co-op, nakay katong yuta dito sa kuan. Pwede sa memorial plan inana. So naa ka na maayo. Mao gina ang i-suggest ko na mo na at least you can have one, no. Not one of the upat but tanan sila actually
Yes.
ang kuon gid.
Pero we're not saying kuha mo karon ka nagtanaw, but if you have the capacity, okay, but kung wala, hinay-hinay lang, no?
Hinay
Hinay lang
siya,
kag-build. But it's better good to start. For me, personally, it's better to have kuan jud ka ng life insurance.
Life insurance
Dako
first.
mo gud siya og coverage good. Really
Critical
don't know,
illness.
Yeah. Labi na critical illness nga
Yes.
either kana, especially I don't know, sa lifestyle siguro karon or sa mga pagkaon kana. That's why for me life insurance, and then
Kung sa I can say kung ako ay relate ba unahon ng life insurance kay kung in terms sa kanang payong ang kanang life insurance protect no payong
yes.
pero kini nga type nga payong is kanang golf nga umbrella
Dako
ang
kayo.
dako kay ba mana siya and then you can go to the next one, let's say HMO, so
Gamay
another
lang.
umbrella for you, and then hantod sa co-op, no, and then mga memorial plans, so gagmay na nakuan pero at least it can still cover you, pero pinakadako jud is the life insurance.
Yeah. And then the last question that we have is, what are the risks associated with cooperative insurance and life insurance companies for policyholders in the Philippines?
Unsa to what?
What are the risks associated?
Ang risk kato number one is ang nagdala sa co-op.
Kapag mention.
Oo. Though again regulated man siya, no. Pero ang kana manggod kung di siya kay ba mo manage no sa mga say kalangan mga regulation to grow the business dili gyud, no. And unsa pa rest niya kana mag-away
Yes.
ang mga members, no.
May mga misunderstanding, no?
Mm.
Anong siya may
Ano siya man nakuha, no.
Yeah.
Na mismanage ang ilang business inana. Then in terms sa diri sa life insurance, ang advantage niya is less good prone for any operational risk. Kay ang structure niya kay gihimo gid ani kay because this person is really competent with this position man. Kay bawo siya proven and tested na gid siya, no. Once ma-deploy siya diha ang position, na tendency mo grow ang business, no.
Yeah.
So kana, and then at the same time mas broader dako siya, no. In kaso kung sa metambuan ni na ay IC Insurance Commission na say reinsure,
Yes.
no. In kaso ma-down ang business or sa
Yeah.
nagya po mo sa na daghan kayo.
Backup plans on top of backup plans.
Yes, correct.
Daghan kayo. And then one of the thing po is the life insurance doesn't depend on business performance man sad. Right.
Correct.
Because as long as active lang imuhang policies, then if something happens to you, then provide na ang mga claims.
Matag, oo.
Yeah, but what we're saying is it's really better to have both.
Yes,
Yeah.
correct.
So again, those co-op and life insurance, ibuhat na siya para to help us. Ang ato lang is
Correct.
to maximize ba, no? Saan mo paggamit, kana siya. It's really kana gitabang even mga government kanang kung saan lang ipang provide sa ato, that is for a better of everybody.
For all, yes.
Atuan lang yun is how we use it, yun siya to pag-maximize. Utilize. Yeah.
How na to pag-grow sa kwarta. Yes, correct.
Yes. So, anything to add up regarding co-op or you wanted to?
Yeah, just wanna add up if you will be starting or if you will be joining a co-op nga kuano.
Yeah.
So make sure nga ayahang score is more than 80 pesos
kana.
score, okay, and then more than 10 years na, meaning stabilized na gid siya na company. Oo, so kana mo na akong advice. And if you will go with a life insurance company, definitely make sure that's under IC and it's more than 100 years in the industry. Kay meaning it's well proven and tested through thick and thin,
Yes.
through pandemic and non-pandemic, no. So yan.
And also with the life insurance, also check with their market cap.
Market capitalization.
Sa usa ka companies kay most of the claims atong ginakuhaon, right?
Oh.
So if dako ang market cap sa usa ka company, and then that's okay. But if gamay gani, maybe you need to consult to someone.
Yes,
okay ba ni
correct.
so diri, need to reach out to a financial coach.
ang market cap is ang size sa company. Unsa
Yeah,
kadaghan
yeah.
na ang kwarta, cash preserve niya.
Mm.
Oo. So, make sure to double check.
Yeah, that's one of the things inyo yung i-check. Start with
Correct.
life insurance.
Talk to a financial coach. Okay. Sige, I think that's it with this episode. I hope namoy nakatunan
Yes.
between cooperative and life insurance. Again, amoy recommend to conclude this, mas mayo na amon duha.
Yeah.
Okay. Duhagid.
Duha.
Duhagid ko
Right, so yeah, that's it for our episode. Hopefully you've learned something. And then if you have other questions or suggestions, you can comment down below.
A topic.
Please
Yes.
subscribe YouTube channel, follow our page for
Yes.
more updates, and then have a great day.
See you to the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Bye.